Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing pronated and supine Chinese planks. So for this, we're going to need 2 benches, like a box and a bench, something like that. So you've got 2 different bases, one for your upper body, one for your lower body. When they are really close to each other, it's going to be easier. So if you want to make this more challenging, you want to spread the 2 bases apart from each other. Now, for the pronated version, that means simply with your belly facing down. I like to get into position first by putting my legs or one leg up, then getting my chest where I need it to be. We're not going to use our arms, so I like to keep mine by my side. And then we can bring that other foot up. Here, belly's engaged, quads engaged, glutes are also engaged. We're just going to hang out. Don't let anything sink down. That's not going to feel good on your back. We're actually strengthening the lower back muscles and the core muscles by doing this. That is the intent behind this exercise. Now for the supine version, I like to get my upper body where I want it to be first. Bring one leg up and then the other. So we don't want our hips sagging down. That's not doing anything for us. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the abs, squeeze the quads. You can put your arms wherever you want. And if you want, you can scoot down so you can rest your neck too, because this is not a neck strengthening exercise. That's not the intent behind this. Squeeze the glutes, don't let your hips sag down. And then if you want it to be more challenging, we would just scoot the bases further away from each other. So for more core building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.